today, pitch hitting for, hopefully hitting a home run for Transportation Minister Jeff McClellan. Today I officially announced the funding for the Wellington Highway 102 to the Aerotech Park project. The over $21 million project will help our community safer and stronger. Our province invests $11.2 million for this project. As Darrell noted, this project includes the construction of a 5-kilometer connector road between Trump 2 and Wellington to the 102 Aerotech Exit 5A interchange. Those who commute to Halifax on a regular basis during peak hours have experienced traffic backups on Highway 118 at Exit 14, creating dangerous conditions. This connector should help resolve this issue, making a safer commute.